joint aches, backaches, muscle aches. Ouch. Unfortunately, it's all too common as we age. But not only then, these occur with an illness or overusing a particular muscle group, lifelong stress, and also after acute situations such as overexercising, sports injury, and so on. I'm particularly well placed to talk about this as my poor disabled father's lifelong inheritance left me with a weakness of joints and back muscles and so on. For me, homeopathy was an absolute game changer because without my remedies, maybe I would be on steroids, rely on painkillers, maybe even I would be a wheelchair user. Doesn't bear thinking about. So I use oh, 4 or 5 remedies all the time. There are many others, but these are the ones I'm using as follows. I use Bryonia for myself and for my patients when the complaint is that the slightest move makes it just so much worse. That's a Bryonia. And then there's Rustox. I love Rustox. Rustox is the creaky gait. Difficult to get out of bed, difficult to get up after a sitting position. It's all achy, struggling, staggering. That's a Rustox. And then it gets better after limbering up, and then it gets worse again. And of course, we need to take the remedy again. If, on the other hand, it's not an ache, but more of a stabbing pain, then it's a hypericum. Or if it's more a spasm, sort of lancinating, it's Macphos and arnica. Arnica forever. I cannot sing enough praises for arnica because arnica is not just after an injury. It's lesser well known that it's a marvelous, marvelous help with joint and back aches, muscle aches. And also I use it a lot for tiredness. Obviously, what I'm saying is just scratching the surface because the prescription very much depends on the concomitant symptoms, modalities, and mental emotional as well. If you would like to find out more about these remedies and how I use them and how I can help you, get in touch with me.